Morning everyone. So I've had an early start this morning. You'll see me gathering all my stuff together. I woke up at 3 a.m. By the time I've had a coffee, got a flask together, got my gear together, it's usually about 45 minutes later. So left house about 3:45 this morning. I've headed out Derbyshire to my rabbit mission. Idea were to have a couple of hours here in dark, try and bag a few bunnies, and then I'm going to move on to my next mission in this area. You'll have seen me a few months ago put a big new feeder up. I brought an extra 15 kg a week just in case it needs a top up. Every time I travel this far out, I'll bring a bag with me just to keep it topped up, because weather can get a bit rough out here, and I don't want to take a chance of it running dry, squirrels trying to chew through it, or I'm not getting interested in that kind of thing. So I've managed to bag a few bunnies. Weather conditions a bit trickier. When I left Sheffield, it were 13-mile-an-hour winds. I'm right up on tops here, probably one of the highest points in Derbyshire. So I would say we're probably blowing about 20 mile an hour. Made it tricky shooting, but I did manage to bag a few. You'll see footage of that after this quick interlude, me telling you what I've been up to. So that's it really. It's about, what, 10 to 7 in the morning now. Got started about 5 o'clock because there were a major road closed, so I had to divert. It took me a bit longer to get here than what I thought. So 10 to 7, I'll leave here about 7:15. It's a 10-minute drive to the next permission. By the time I get there, day should be breaking, make it a bit easier to get through gates, that kind of thing. I can get set up in daylight, and we'll see what this feeder produces today. Hey up. So the second part of the video didn't really go to plan. First part executed perfectly. Second part, squirrels were no show. I did manage to take a jack door off some chimney pots. I'll include this footage as a bit of an overview to this that you're watching now, so you'll see it while I'm talking. But I suppose that's hunting. So it's a bit shorter video than normal, but rest assured, and we'll be back out in the next few days. I'll be onto magpies or onto squirrels on that same permission, and as long as I'm lucky, you'll get to see video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.